How to set a Spotify song as caller tune. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch a Spotify app on your device. Log into your particular account. Once you're on the app, choose any song you want to set as your caller tune. Once it opens, you can see that there is no direct option to set the song as your caller tune unless you have a Spotify Premium. Once you have a Spotify Premium, you can simply get to the three dots and tap download and download on your smartphone. After downloading, you can go to your phone settings and set the song as your caller tune. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.